While moments of forgetfulness can be normal in a busy life, such as misplacing your phone, forgetting an appointment time, or wondering whether you paid your gas bill, a poor memory can become frustrating and problematic, especially if it starts to affect your work or your self-confidence. So, is it possible to improve your memory? The good news is yes. While genetics play a role in memory loss, particularly when it comes to neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, research has shown that lifestyle and diet also significantly impact memory. Which is why today we're taking a look at the top 5 ways to improve your memory naturally. Memory is closely tied to your overall cognitive health, meaning that anything you do to improve your memory is good for your brain too. So stay tuned to discover 5 powerful natural ways to improve your memory. And if you'd like to see more of our evidence-based health videos, subscribe to our Women's Wellness channel and hit that alert bell so you'll be kept up to date with new releases. Plus, stick around to find out how you can get a free gift. And now, here's how to improve your memory naturally, starting with number 5. Reduce sugar. It's no secret that consuming a lot of sugar isn't great for our bodies. Research suggests that high sugar diets can lead to obesity, inflammation, and an increased risk of many diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. But did you know that sugar has a large impact on our brain health too? Research has shown a link between high sugar consumption and cognitive decline, including poor memory, increased risk of dementia and Alzheimer's, reduced cerebral blood flow, and reduced brain volume. That's right, too much sugar can actually reduce the size of your brain, particularly in the area where your short-term memory is stored, the hippocampus. This brain cell shrinkage and reduced blood flow negatively affects memory, learning, and concentration. Foods that can have this effect include sweets, chocolate, and table sugar, sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice, and refined carbohydrates like white rice, bread, cookies, and cereals. All of these foods have a high glycemic index, which means that they spike your blood sugar. When blood sugars are too high or frequently spiking, the brain's immune cells, called microglia, become activated. This triggers an inflammatory response in the brain, which slows down the speed of brain signals and leads to that feeling of brain fog. In the long term, chronic brain inflammation can have a devastating impact on memory and concentration. We'll talk more about how to counteract this inflammation soon, and the ideal foods to eat for your brain health, but simply reducing sugar in your diet is a great first step to naturally improve your memory and reduce moments of brain fog. And another powerful way to improve your memory is to number 4, prioritize your sleep. It comes as no surprise that poor sleep impacts memory. Like with all of your body's organs, your brain needs adequate rest and recovery to be able to function effectively. To understand how poor sleep impairs memory, we need to look at how memories are made. For a memory to be formed, 3 things must take place. 1. Acquisition, when you experience or learn something new. 2. Consolidation, when the memory becomes stable in your brain by moving from your short-term memories to your long-term memories. And 3. Recall, when you are able to access the memory after it has been stored. While acquisition and recall take place while you're awake, research suggests that deep sleep is required for memory consolidation. According to sleep researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, during deep sleep, important brain waves are produced that transfer memories from your hippocampus to your prefrontal cortex. Your prefrontal cortex is where your long-term memories are stored. Poor quality sleep disrupts this process, meaning that new information doesn't make it to your long-term memories, so you're more likely to forget. And when we look at the long-term impacts of insufficient sleep, a recent study conducted by the sleep psychologists at Berkeley indicated that poor sleep in middle age increases a person's risk of developing Alzheimer's disease later on in life. So to improve your memory, it's essential that you prioritize your sleep. And not just any sleep, but quality sleep, so that your brain gets the deep sleep it needs for memory transfer. Experts suggest that there are some simple sleep hygiene practices that can help with this. These include going to bed and waking up at around the same time each day. This supports your body's circadian rhythm, otherwise known as the sleep-wake cycle. Getting outside in the natural sunlight each day. This helps to regulate sleeping patterns and replenish your vitamin D, which is important for memory and general health. Avoiding screens in the half hour before bed, as the blue light they emit can interfere with melatonin, the hormone that helps to induce sleep. Avoiding caffeine, large meals, and alcohol late at night, as all of these things can disrupt your sleep quality. Doing something relaxing before bed, such as reading, meditating, or taking a bath. And making sure your sleep environment is dark, cool, and quiet. Now, let's move on to the third way to improve your memory naturally. Number 3, train your brain. Just as you can train your body to become stronger and faster, you can also work out your brain to naturally improve your memory. Scientists have found, through research with mice and humans, that mentally challenging activities stimulate connections between nerve cells and can even help the brain to generate new cells. While specific memory training such as word recall games can be particularly good at keeping memory sharp, any brain training exercises that require concentration, attention, and mental effort are great for your brain and memory. In a 2015 study, 4,715 participants engaged in 15 minutes of an online brain training program, at least 5 days a week for 10 weeks. The online program was made up of 49 exercises that targeted different cognitive functions, including memory. At the end of the 10-week period, it was found that those assigned to the brain training program had significant improvements in their short-term memory, working memory, concentration, and problem solving, compared to a control group. There are many games and programs that can help to improve your memory. You can find them online, in mobile apps, or in books. Find some you enjoy and aim to set aside 15 minutes per day for some brain training fun. And if games aren't your thing, then why not try to learn something new? The process of learning a new skill, instrument, or language is highly stimulating for the brain and is also beneficial for memory. Studies have shown that even the mental stimulation of reading each day can help to keep memory and thinking skills intact as people age. In a 2013 study published in the Neurology journal, researchers from Rush University Medical Center in Chicago tested the memory and thinking skills of 294 elderly women and men yearly. They also gathered information about how often participants had engaged in mentally stimulating tasks, such as reading and writing, over their lifespan. The researchers found that those who had frequently exercised their brains, both early and late in life, had a slower rate of memory decline than those who had not. The bottom line is, keeping your brain stimulated with mental challenges and learning is a surefire way to improve your memory. Now it's time to delve into the brain-body connection, with number 2 on our list of natural ways to improve memory. Number 2, increase your exercise. When it comes to memory and brain health, the benefits of regular exercise can't be overstated. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which exposes your brain to more oxygen and nutrients. In addition, a multitude of studies have shown that endurance exercise, such as running, cycling, or even brisk walking, stimulates your nerve cells to produce beneficial proteins called neurotrophic factors. The most notable of these is called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF acts like a fertilizer for the brain, encouraging brain cell growth and connection between neurons, as well as helping to protect existing brain cells. To put it simply, endurance exercise literally grows and strengthens your brain. This has important implications for memory and learning. A recent 2021 study showed that even just a single session of moderate intensity exercise can have beneficial effects for memory. 20 male participants had their memory tested after a rest period and after a session of moderate intensity cycling. They then had a long-term memory retest 3 months later. Researchers found that memory performance after moderate intensity exercise was significantly increased compared to memory performance after rest. And this result was also found at the 3-month retest. Using blood samples and functional MRI data, researchers found that enhanced memory performance after exercise went hand in hand with increases in brain-derived neurotrophic factor and a neurotransmitter called anandamide, or AEA. BDNF and AEA were both linked to enhanced activity in the hippocampus during memory recall. These findings indicated that exercise not only has an immediate positive effect on memory, but it also helps memories to be consolidated for long-term recall. So it appears that the simple act of doing more exercise can do wonders for improving your memory. And for maximum benefit, try to exercise out in the natural sunshine rather than indoors whenever possible. This will help you to achieve optimal levels of vitamin D, which is also important for memory and brain health. Vitamin D helps to increase levels of BDNF in the brain and protect against cognitive decline. Speaking of vitamins, here is number 1 on our list of ways to improve memory naturally. Number 1. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. As we touched on earlier in this video, inflammation has been linked to cognitive decline and increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. So to keep your memory sharp as you age, it's crucial to provide your brain with the fuel it needs to combat inflammation and operate at its best. An anti-inflammatory diet can help to reduce inflammation in the brain and support all aspects of cognitive functioning, including memory. So, what exactly is an anti-inflammatory diet? Let's explore. A diet aimed at protecting brain health should be filled with colourful, antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, as well as protein and healthy fats. In particular, recent research has found that omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols can inhibit brain inflammation associated with Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are found abundantly in oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, trout, and tuna. If these aren't to your taste, you could consider supplementing with an omega-3 fish oil. Other healthy fats that support brain health include olive oil, flaxseed, eggs, nuts, coconut, and avocado. High antioxidant foods which help to reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals include foods such as leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, broccoli, turmeric, peppers, onions, and dark chocolate. Though dark chocolate is best enjoyed in moderation. And if you're wondering what polyphenols are plant compounds that are highly beneficial to health, including having powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Many antioxidant-rich foods are also great sources of polyphenols, but particularly potent sources include berries, dark chocolate, and tea. The key is to eat a diet rich in all of these nutritious anti-inflammatory foods, and to limit foods that can cause inflammation, like the sugar and refined carbs we talked about earlier, and other highly processed foods. This will not only help to naturally improve your memory, but will also be hugely beneficial to your overall health. So, there you have it, the top 5 natural ways to improve your memory. While each of these things alone can have powerful effects, it's important to note that they work best in combination to improve your memory and brain health. For instance, a healthy diet and regular exercise supports quality sleep, which supports better memory consolidation. Doing these 5 things will help your brain to stay sharp and focused as you age. Now, we want to hear from you. Was there anything in this video that surprised you? Has it inspired you to try something to improve your memory? Share your experience with our community in the comments. And before you go, it's time to give you your free gift. Today, we're gifting you our 25 Energy Boosting Superfoods for Women ebook. Inside, you'll discover little-known foods and tips that are highly beneficial to your weight, sleep, energy, and mood. We hope you gain great value from it. Simply click the link in the description below to claim your free gift. And if you enjoyed this video today, remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the alert bell to stay up to date with us. From all of us here at the Women's Wellness Channel, have a healthy and amazing day.